Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, we will embark on an exciting journey into the kingdom of pixie haircuts, delving into their versatility, allure, and the perfect styling suggestions. Whether you are contemplating a short pixie haircut, a trendy long pixie bob, or a sophisticated pixie cut for mature women, we have meticulously curated a collection of inspiring ideas to help you discover the perfect look. Join us as we explore the composites of these timeless and fashionable hairstyling ideas. For a period of 10 years, pixie haircuts have been an evergreen choice for women across all age groups. The combination of their short, evenly cropped length and sleek style effortlessly creates a delicate and refined appearance. The official mark of a classic pixie haircut lies in their cropped back and sides. Complemented by slightly longer hair on the top. This particular style points up your facial features, making them the central point of attention. Its versatility allows you to exude confidence on any occasion, making it a go-to option. If you desire a longer variation of the pixie cut, the pixie bob is an excellent selection. The style smoothly merges the elements of a classic pixie with those of a pixie bob, resulting in a chic and contemporary look. With the pixie bob, you can reveal the best of both worlds: shorter hair at the back and sides, while maintaining a slightly longer length at the front. Not only does it offer a fashionable choice, but it also grants more styling flexibilities while beautifully framing your face. It is important to note that pixie haircuts are not exclusive to a specific age group. They can be customized to suit women of all ages. Let's now explore an abundance of pixie haircut ideas tailored for different age groups. Embrace your natural beauty with a graceful and stylish pixie haircut. Opt for softer layers and textures to enhance your features and radiate confidence. Pixie haircut can be an amazing choice for women over 50. Irrespective of age, pixie haircuts abstract a bold and empowering statement. Engage in experiments with varying lengths, textures, and colors to discover the perfect style that embodies your personality. Despite their shorter length, pixie haircuts provide numerous styling options. Here are a few suggestions to elevate your pixie haircut. If you prefer slightly more length, opt for a long pixie haircut. This style allows for increased versatility in styling, including the option to tie your hair back or create an array of up-to styles. Haircuts are ideal for women seeking a low maintenance look. They demand minimal styling time and can effortlessly achieve chicness with a simple comb through or the application of texturizing products. Curly hair, add a playful element to any pixie haircut. Embrace your natural curls and view the addition of layers to increase the texture and volume of your hairs. Experiment with various cuts such as narrow sides and consider incorporating vibrant hair colors or bold highlights to express your unique style. Pixie haircuts have stood the test of time, remaining an enduring choice among women who seek a stylish and versatile look. From the classic pixie cut to the trendy pixie bobs, these hairstyles offer a wide range of options for women of all ages. Whether you prefer an ultra short pixie haircut or a longer pixie style, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the beauty and confidence that comes with rocking a pixie haircut, and do not hesitate to experiment with different lengths, textures and colors to find the style that perfectly suits your personalities. Remember, the key to a successful pixie haircut lies in consulting with a professional hairstylist who can guide you through the process and ensure flawless results. Prepare yourself to embrace a new level of style and elegance with a stunning pixie haircut that will turn heads wherever you go. Let the world witness your transformation as you unlock the charm and versatility of pixie haircuts. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and women. See you in the next video.